What is up, guys? This is Chaz, aka your favorite dysfunctional autistic here. So, welcome to this quick little video. So, what this is going to be is some promotion, as well as a setup and idea that I want to talk about in terms of making an income passively towards my Twitch stream, as well as my outside income that I want to make for the near future. So, right now, I'm going to talk about three individual links that I've set up for myself, and something that. Wait, why isn't my there we go, yeah. And something that I have decided to really invest my time into, and something that I really feel that works incredibly, as well as otherwise. So, the first thing that I want to talk about is the pawns app that I've got. Now, this thing is so useful. So what you can essentially do, you can essentially set up your internet connection to make a passive income away from when you're streaming and away from when you're offline. Now, keep in mind, the rules are only one application is allowed per device and IP addresses. Using servers or VPNs is strictly not allowed. All IP addresses must be residential, and you can't use more than one account from a single IP address. Which basically means, in a sense, that if I try to plug in two emails onto my same account here, which is my business email, it won't exactly work, and it won't go in the way that it should be expected to, and the wiring to your internet connection will stop up until that account is disabled from your phone or through your computer screen, and vice versa, and that type of thing. I started out with the pawns.app first because from the way that I've looked at it and from the way how it shares your connection encryptively and privately, you can literally earn just through browsing, and it's literally incredible. This is a legit app because they do have a Discord, a Twitter, a Reddit, even YouTube and Instagram, even a TikTok. I don't fucking use TikTok at all, like, who the fuck does? But anyway, they're fully legit. And what else you can do, you can literally take surveys to earn. And this is really fucking cool. I really enjoy it a lot. And recently, I started taking a lot of individual special runs recently, and they mainly predate the surveys itself to like what type of devices you use, what age you are. So they get a feel of who you are through what the service you're going to use to encrypt your connection to earn online. This is my code here that I will share, and I'm going to pop onto my stream and attach into my links as I go. And yeah, it's really healthy. It's really helpful, and it's really handy in more ways than one. And if you want to earn for social media, all you've got to do is copy the link, put it out into anyone that you want to use. It could be Instagram, Discord, TikTok, that type of thing, and you could all go from there. So it's literally showing your internet connection just to earn. And ever since I started doing this, I'm generating like what, $1 every other hour. But then that of course spikes when I put the app onto my phone, I turn on my 4G, I can start browsing, and boom, I can just all really go from there. It's fucking terrific, honestly. Now, the second one is called a TraffMoniteizer. This thing is a diamond, literally. It's so good. So the way how you would set this up, you would get an application token here. I will show how to set this up in the future, and then that will connect to an outside link that you've got here. You then copy and paste this code into a digital wire that you need to set up for a private account, and that all connects together through your bank card. And then after that, you can literally start to collect to earn £10 to $10 every other day to work and go with that. The app is official. You can get it anywhere from Windows, Android, that type of thing. So far my data has been pretty good actually, because I've been browsing from my phone, and this will track as you go freely. So just because I have a down traffic spiral here does not mean that I can go up and continue to generate to earn. If anyone has any issues with that, in terms of like how the connection will work for the private application token, because my one wouldn't be the same as yours. So it all depends on the type of user benefit you would sign up for, and how that would generate into your account over time. I mean, mine was literally right here, and I'm ready to go, and I really like it. I really do like it. In fact, I've got the app open on my phone right now, and it's truly amazing. It's truly amazing. So the next one is more sponsorship related, and this is through my Genki code with EN. So as anyone should know, I'm a sponsored streamer, which means that I get tier benefits to talk about certain promotions and that type of thing, and through ideas of certain partnerships. My Genki code gets attached to my stream about me as well as my panels. And basically, the more I share that thing around for free, the more that I'm going to earn freely as I go. Um, so I enjoy it all free, uh, independently, absolutely, because it makes a independent passive income away from when you're offline. So that's the best thing about it. Um, and I'm so glad that I discovered the TraffMoniteizer. This is the best one to me at least, and the pawns app, because combine those two together, put us on every other day, you're gonna earn a shit ton of income. Put it that way. And for me nowadays, I'm always talking about like how you can make an income just passively or even completely, as to earn. So I like the benefit of them, and they're really great. And I wouldn't be talking about or mentioning all these apps and all these brand new links that I've literally, jumped to and discovered from in the past week without any sort of legit reason. So, in other words, what I'm trying to say is this is not a scam. This is fully legit, and this is another great way to make money. So, if you would like to support me through these links, I'll send out the about me. In like the story and everything else that I'm gonna link together, and I'll go from there. So I thought I'd just let everyone know about all of that, and of course you can pop them onto your social medias, like together as well, and you can just make a balance with that. So it means that the more you put out in your bio or about me or whatever, the more people are gonna notice it, and they're gonna pick up on it. So thought I'd just make everyone aware. Anyway, thank you for listening. I appreciate it. And yeah, just check on your stats, check how you're going, and it'll be all be with you. All be with you. All right. Thanks. I appreciate it.